How good is Miami, especially on defense?
Good. Miami's good. It's funny because that they don't have. I don't think they don't have a win in the ACC yet, but they've beat Notre Dame, who was like. By the way, Notre Dame's the only team was 0-2 and still ranked in the top 25. But I think it's probably. I don't hate it. Like I think they are pretty good. And they beat Florida. Florida looked like what Florida was supposed to look like. So they've got two big wins. And I think they just jumped to the number 2 rank, right? So yeah, Miami's really good. They're good everywhere. They're legit national title contenders. I had them in my Final Four. But yeah, I feel very good about that call.
Yep, I just wrote down on my notes. I just said Miami's really good. I'll move on.
Yeah, no, they are. That's a good point. The only I will tell you though, the one thing we didn't count on was Florida State being as good as they are. So they might give them a little trouble in the ACC. But we also counted on Clemson giving them trouble. Not going to be the case.
Clemson will not be a factor.
Not be a problem.